Today, I'm going to show you how to publish a book on Amazon KDP step by step. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. This platform allows you to upload your book once, and Amazon will print, ship, and deliver it to customers for you. That means there is no inventory, and you only pay when a copy sells. To begin, go to kdp.amazon.com and sign in using your Amazon account. Once you're on your dashboard, click Create and then choose Paperback. Now we're on the Book Details page. Enter your book title and your author name. For the description, keep it simple. Explain who the book is for and what it helps with. Next, add your keywords. These are the search terms people might type when looking for this type of book. Finally, choose a category that fits your book. Scroll down to Manuscript. Here, upload your interior PDF. This is the inside of your book. Make sure the trim size matches the file you created. A common trim size for journals and notebooks is 6 by 9 inches. Next, upload your cover file. You can design your cover in Canva or use KDP's Cover Creator if you want a quick layout. Now click Preview to review your book. If there are margin or bleed issues, KDP will highlight them and show you where to adjust. Amazon also provides a free ISBN, so you can accept that here. Finally, set your marketplace, usually Amazon.com. Choose your price and click Publish. Your book will now enter review and typically becomes live within 24 to 72 hours. And that's the full process. Once your book is published, you can repeat this workflow and create additional journals, planners, or standard print books. Keep experimenting, improving, and growing your catalogue. Want to try KDP for yourself? Check the link in the description to create your account. And if you liked this video, subscribe for more side hustle ideas.